Hi, I'm Dave and welcome to Rhythm Guitar for Absolute Beginners. So, part one, we learned two chords, G and C. Have a listen to this song. This is Paperback Writer by the Beatles. I've included a copy of the chords, and why don't you practice this? Okay, all we need to do is practice the verse and the chorus. So I'm going to play it and I'm going to sing along too. And I'm going to play it in a very simple way. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Dear sir or madam, will you read my book? It took me years to write. Will you take a look? It's based on a novel by a man named Lear, and I need a job, so I want to be paperback writer, paperback writer. So very simple, two chords, simple strumming pattern. Have a go at it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.